In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 ways to save more money using the Piggy system. So the first step is P for play money. A lot of people work really hard for money, but they don't reward themselves. They don't spend it on themselves. They feel guilty for spending money on yourself. But let me tell you this, when you work hard for money, you have to reward yourself. So P, allocate a percentage of your money for play money. I stands for investment. We want to take a percentage of our money and invest it, but most people don't allocate money to invest. That's why they can never grow their money. So if you want to make more money, you need to invest it. And G stands for giving. You want to take a percentage of what you earn and give it away, because something magical happens when you let go of the grip of money. Somehow you attract more of it into your life. And the E stands for education. We want to take a percentage of our money and put it into our brain to get a high ROI. Warren Buffett said the biggest investment you can make is in yourself. So if you want to make more money and save more money, put it into your brain to grow yourself. Your business can only grow to as big as you can grow. And the last part, the S stands for saving. Take a percentage of what you earn and save it for a rainy day, as you've heard. But there's a saying, and that saying is, don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Thank you so much for watching. Remember the Piggy system. P stands for play, I stands for invest, G stands for give, E stands for education, and S stands for saving. If you've loved this video and you've really found this useful, do me a favor, like, comment and share to help other people. This is John Lee, the author of The Wealth Dragon Way. Bye for now.